Hi guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a ponytail extension review. That's a two-tone ponytail extension. So in case you guys are looking for a two-tone colored ponytail extension, then definitely this review will help you. So I have ordered this ponytail extension from Amazon. So I'll show you how it works, and it's like I really like their hair ponytail extension because it's tangle free, so it's like easy to handle. So in case you guys are looking for colored ponytail extension, then definitely this review will help you. I'll open it and I'll show you how it looks, and also I'll attach it in my hair and I will show you how it looks. So let's open it. So they have so many colors, so but I choose this one. You can choose whatever color you want. So it's like it's tangle free, so it's really easy to handle. So you can see the hair extension. It's like a really good. Yeah, the reason I like this hair extension because of the color. Because sometimes I like colored hair, but I never color my hair. I don't like to color my hair like this two-tone. So that's why I wanted to try this ponytail extension, and it's like a really great option and easy idea to use the ponytail extension. And you can see it's like really soft. It's not human hair, it's like synthetic hair, but it's like very soft and easy to handle because it's tangle free, so it will not get tangled very easily. You can see it's like a wrap around ponytail. You can see here is a clip and this portion on the ponytail. You just have to wrap around your ponytail, so it's like really easy. So I'll attach it in my hair and I will show you how it looks on me, because I have never tried the colored ponytail. So let's attach it and I will show how it looks exactly on my hair. You can see my ponytail extension. It's so easy. You just have to attach it in your hair with some bobby pins. I just add some bobby pins, and it's immediately you can get a longer ponytail extension. So in case you guys are looking for a like colored ponytail extension, definitely you can check it. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check it in Amazon. So they have like so many colors, so in case you don't like this color, you can choose whatever color you want, but I really like this color, like the two-tone I really like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.